Hello and welcome to the second lecture of our cell division series. We covered the basics of cell division and mitosis in the previous video. We have discussed basic points such as what is cell division, why it is important, and what are the different phases of mitosis. We have also talked about how mitosis is important in pathophysiological conditions like cancer. This video will go over the interphase of mitosis. Interphase is a much longer phase of mitosis in which the cell prepares for cell division. Interphase is divided into three different phases. Interphase is further divided into G1, which is also known as first gap, S, which is known as synthesis, and G2, which is known as second gap. The cell grows during all three phases of interphase by producing proteins and cytoplasmic organelles. Cyclins, cyclin-dependent kinases, and other cell cycle proteins tightly regulate each of these cell cycle phases. Chromosomes are replicated only during the S phase. Thus, a cell grows, which is G1 phase, continues to grow as it duplicates its chromosomes, which is in the S phase. Again, it grows more and prepares for mitosis, which is G2 phase, and finally divides, and this phase is known as M phase. The phases follow each other in precise order, and there are security checks that give the cell signals to proceed from one phase to the other. Cells can also end up leaving the cell cycle temporarily or permanently and enter G0 phase to stop dividing. During interphase, two main processes repair DNA double-strand breaks. Non-homologous end joining, which is also known as NHEJ, it is a process that can join two broken ends of DNA during the G1, S, and G2 phases of interphase. In repairing double-strand breaks, the second process, which is homologous recombinational repair, also known as HRR, is more accurate than NHEJ. HRR is active during the S and G2 interphase phases. Interphase aims at preparing the cell for mitotic division. It determines whether or not mitotic cell division will eventually occur. When the cell's DNA is damaged or an important phase is not completed, it carefully stops the cell from proceeding. The interphase is crucial because it specifies whether mitosis occurs successfully or not. It will decrease the number of damaged cells generated and the generation of cancerous cells. A miscalculation by the key interphase proteins could be crucial, as the latter could result in the development of cancerous cells. These were some of the introductory points regarding interphase of mitosis. Next, we will discuss the other stages of mitosis in detail. I'm sure these videos will help you to understand the basics of mitosis and will help you in your exams as well as in your projects. Let's move to the next lecture of our mitosis series. Thank you for your support. Please subscribe to the channel for additional videos. Take care, everyone.